We'll guide you through how to use Wix email marketing to effectively reach your audience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Marketing and SEO section on the left-hand menu. Click on Email Marketing. Here, you'll find the option to create a new campaign. Click on the Create New Campaign button. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Wix provides a variety of customizable templates to suit different needs, so pick one that matches the style of your brand. Once you've selected a template, you'll enter the email editor. This editor is quite intuitive. You can click on any element to edit it. Change the text, fonts, images, and colors to make sure everything aligns with your brand's identity. Adding links to your website or social media is also straightforward. Just highlight the text or select the image you want to link, then click the link icon to insert the URL. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on the Next button to move on to the Recipient section. Here, you can choose to send the email to a specific list or segment. If you haven't already, you can import contacts into Wix directly from this page. After you've selected your audience, you'll be taken to the Review page. Double-check everything here. This is your chance to ensure there are no typos and that all links are working perfectly. Once you're ready, click on the Send button, or you can schedule it for later if you prefer. Scheduling is a great way to keep your marketing efforts consistent without having to manually send emails every time. Wix also offers analytics, so after your email sends, you can check back to see how it performed. Look at the open rates, click-through rates, and more to refine your future campaigns. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.